Hello, my student friends. I am Datta Baburao Hapse, Principal, Maharashtra Computer Typing and Shorthand Institute, Sonai, giving you dictation.
Ready? English shorthand 80 word per minute. Start. Friends, I am really very happy to take part in the Golden Jubilee celebrations of your great organization. 50 years of fruitful service in the history of any unit is a thing to be congratulated. It is a matter of great joy to you, the workers and the management who have been responsible for taking the organization successfully to the 15th year. I have no doubt whatsoever you will have many more years of useful service to perform. Para, it is really a matter for sincere appreciation that there has not been any strike by the workers or lockout by the management of your organization even for a single day. In these days, when great business concerns and industrial units have to face strikes or declare lockouts frequently, it is rather interesting to know of such a healthy and welcome situation. The workers, office staff, and the employer deserve the praise of anyone who cares for the industrial peace of the country. I hope and trust this trend will continue for many more years. In my view, you have given to the industrial growth of the country and national welfare in a big way. After all, only when the wheels of the industries move continuously without break, there will be prosperity in the country. This has been made possible by you showing your firmness not to lose any working day either by a strike or a lockout. This is no doubt an act of sincere patriotism. Para from the papers given to me and also from the welcome address of your meaning director, I came to know that the workers are very happy with their service conditions and they have job satisfaction. It has been possible for you achieve such cordiality because of the workers taking part, not only putting their hard labor to produce the right quality of the product at the right time, but also the management allowing them to take part in the sharing of the profits and also taking part in the actual running of the day to day affairs of the unit.